everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now if you look back a few weeks on the channel, you'll notice a walnut goblet I made, an emerging goblet, and that was from a blank sent to me from America by a viewer called Dave, who's been incredibly generous. In the package he sent over, he also sent this scraper, and today's quick task is to make a handle for it. Now handles are all pretty similar in design and stuff, but that doesn't mean that we can't make it cool. So how are we going to make it cool? Well, wait and find out. Right, this is a piece of tulip which I'm going to make the handle out of. First job is to turn a 10 at one end because I need to be able to hold it in jaws while I drill it. Beautiful. Right, let's start put some measurements on. I don't want the handle overly long, so about 11 inches in total will be absolutely fine. You may be wondering why I'm cutting down this end rather than just making 11 inches from there. Well, this isn't the longest bed in the world, this lathe, so I need to be able to get a drill in somehow, so I need to get it shorter. Now, as you'll see with all tools, they have a brass ferrule around the top which stops the wood from splitting. Now you can buy them separately, or you can just nip down to the local hardware shop and buy little bits of copper pipe. So this is what we're going to use. Now I'm just going to measure the internal dimensions of this, which is about 23 mil. So we need to make this end piece, we're going to turn it down to 23 mil by about 32. So let's make a quick note of that. I'll write it in here. 22 wide and 32 deep. Oh, that's not very simple, is it? When I put the end back in, I haven't put it in the centre, but that's fine. It'll soon turn down back to where we want it to be. Doing. You getting off there? Come on off. No, we're not there yet. I'm just going to set up my gauge. Start checking it when we're getting close. I'm going to get the last few bits with sanding. It's going to be tight, but that's absolutely fine. Mix up with a little bit of epoxy resin, just the 5-minute stuff. Not when you come out evenly. There we go. Right, I'm just going to let that sit. Give it a chance to harden. And we'll come back in a little while. Right, I'm going to start drilling the hole ready for the shaft. I know for a fact that by the time I put that into my chuck, there's no way I'm going to fit it on the lathe. So I'm going to have to go in holding it by hand at a very slow speed. Very carefully. Whew. That was hard. We can start shaping our handle. Before I go any further, I'm just going to quickly give this a sand over, and then we can figure out the next step. There's there's a saying that everything's cooler with fire, so this adds to the effect of this wood. Well, first of all, burning it. Cool. Right, now more sanding. Right, and now to add some more interest, I'm going to add some colour. Give it a second to dry, and we'll give it a protective coating. I like that. Quick go over the sandpaper again. There we go. One really cool handle. I'll just part this off and then we'll fit the scraper head in. Right, and there we have it. A beautiful handle made for the beautiful tool sent to me by Dave. Dave, thank you so much. Once again, this is going to be the gift that keeps on giving. Well, I hope you liked today's video. If you have, please feel free to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you leave a comment as well, then you'll get entered into the giveaway when we get to 2,500 subscribers for a bowl. That feels good, and I can't wait to try it out. Right, well, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed, and I'll see you next time.